D'Iberville, Mississippi. Yes, we're in D'Iberville, Mississippi. And as you can see, we're driving down towards Scarlet Pearl Casino, the only casino in D'Iberville, Mississippi. But we're not going to Scarlet Pearl. We're going to a hidden gem for seafood. Where are we going? Well, as always, Traveling to Sea is on the hunt for great places to eat. And we love to share with you when we find one, which we did. Our grandson Braxton said, let's go to Dewy Dew Bugz in D'Iberville. He said it's really, really good. So we followed his lead, and that's where we went. D'Iberville is located on the north side of the Back Bay of Biloxi, Mississippi. You see that Dewey's is located at 9419 Central Avenue in D'Iberville, Mississippi. And there it is, right across the street from Scarlet Pearl Casino. It's a neat location. So what are you going to see in this video? As always, an overview of Dewy Dew Bugz, ratings and reviews, our experience in April, first impressions, menu offerings, taste, quality, and value, service, cleanliness, some travel tips, easy to get their verdict, what's our rating, what's others' ratings, and Mississippi Gulf Coast visitor information. What's going to be the next video on Traveling to Sea? We'll show you how to find out how to find other great videos on Traveling to Sea, and Dewy Dew Bugz full menus for your review at the end of this video. But now let's get on with the review. Dewy Dew Bugz, D'Iberville, Mississippi. What did we find when we went to Dewy Dew Bugz? Here's their logo, kind of tells you, doesn't it? Dewy Dew Bugz, bite my tail. And there they are, the seafood market and restaurant. Nice facility, outdoor seating as well as indoor seating. And there's the Scarlet Pearl Casino right across the street. And here you can see from Scarlet Pearl, and there's Galat's Seafood Company right across the street. But there is Dewy Dew Bugz right there. There's my beautiful wife Emily and my wonderful grandson Braxton, we call him Brax. He's the one that recommended this is where we needed to go. When you get inside, there they've got some Dew Bugz swag. And there's the counter. And they've got a nice restaurant inside, ample seating here in the restaurant. And again, outside, they've got some seating as well. We chose to eat inside. There's Brax. Brax also said he loves the free ice cream they've got there. So now, here's a look at the menu, and they've got some fascinating things you just don't see anywhere else. Look at that. Alligator bites. How about blackened octopus? Cajun Street Corn. I'm not going to read the whole menu for you. We're just skimming down, but you can see they've got lots to choose from. Hot beignets for dessert. Look at that. They even have pasta and wines and beer. And look at the sides. Lots of great sides. You can see the full menus at the end of the video. But look at this, the Maverick. 4 medium king crab legs, 2 snow crab clusters, 2 Dungeness crab clusters, 2 pounds of Dewey's red shrimp, 2 corns, 2 potatoes, 2 sausages, lobsters, and mussels are available. The Maverick is $94.99. Boom, and there is a shot of it. Look at that. And Brax tried to talk me into sharing one of these with him. I just didn't have it in me, folks. I really didn't. Much as I wish I could, I just didn't have it in me. So what we have for our dinner? Well, we started out with some of that Cajun Street Corn. Look at that. Boy, that stuff was really good. And then Brax, he ended up getting a pound of red boiled shrimp and a cluster of snow crab, plus some corn and potatoes on the side, and sausage. And here's a close-up of it. Look at that. And Brax loved it. He got every morsel out of it that he could. He ate the whole thing. There's my beautiful wife, Emily. She got a pound of Gulf shrimp, and she said it was great too. Look at the size of those shrimp. That's what you get here on the Mississippi Gulf Coast. Awesome seafood. And myself, I got a fried oyster platter with some coleslaw and some corn. And my gosh, those oysters are about the best oysters I've had anywhere. They really are. So what's the bill look like? Well, there it is. Brax and I, we had iced teas and Arnold Palmer's, which were just $2.99 a piece. Emily had a bottle of water. The Cajun Street Corn, $8.99. Emily's All-American Gulf Shrimp. Brax had the pound of Dewey's red shrimp and a snow crab cluster. And I had an oyster platter. And my gosh, that was pretty fantastic. The portions are huge. The quality is tops. What an experience. It really was. Bite my tail, y'all. Dewy Dew Bugz. Was it clean? Absolutely clean. You bet. Service was fantastic. And how's Dewy Dew Bugz stack up out there in the review world? Well, let's look at some of their reviews. Dewy Dew Bugz on Google, 4.7. Dewy Dew Bugz on Facebook, 15,000 followers. Dewy Dew Bugz on Yelp, 4.4. On TripAdvisor, a 5.0. And DoorDash, 4.6. And DoorDash has their full menu, and you can again see that at the end of this video. So that's been our review of Dewy Dew Bugz. We had a great time, but hey, if you're going to be visiting coastal Mississippi, be sure to check out coastalmississippi.com. Tell you all about what's happening here on the Mississippi Gulf Coast and top restaurants across the Mississippi Gulf Coast. That's what Traveling to Sea's all about. Like and subscribe so you can see these, and share the channels with others, won't you? And we've got playlists for hidden gems in Jackson County and Harrison County. We've got, and now it's your turn. What's your favorite? Brax told us what his favorite was, and we checked it out. So you give us your favorite, and we'll be sure to go check it out. We sure enjoyed our visit to Dewy Dew Bugz, and come along with us as we explore the Mississippi Gulf Coast and the greater Gulf Coast from Louisiana through Alabama and Florida Panhandle. We do love to travel, love to share. Traveling's great on land, sea, and air. Come with us as we go and see together how much better our traveling can be. Now here, as promised, here's the full menus from DoorDash for Dewy Dew Bugz. You can pause this anywhere along the way. Check it out. They have got some things on the menu you just aren't going to find anywhere else. And these prices here, these are DoorDash prices, a little cheaper when you're eating in the restaurant. And I promise you a travel tip, and you can see they are right off of Interstate 110. And Interstate 110 goes between Interstate 10 and Highway 90, Beach Boulevard. They're right off there. Easy to get to. Keep traveling, keep watching, enjoy life, God bless. We'll see you in our next adventure.